Hi everyone, I'm Paul again. Nice to see you on our channel. And today we are discussing about how to get the best flooring supplier. The first thing into your mind is maybe it's about price. When it comes to finding a reliable vinyl floor supplier, you should keep a few things in mind. First, by working with a company that designs and installs customized vinyl floors, you will have a great quality floor installed and at an affordable price, of course. Also, you won't be able to choose from the least expensive vinyl products on the market. Instead, you will get a top model vinyl flooring products for your business. And here are some guidelines to help you find a reliable supplier. The first one is about product range. First of all, you have to see what products that flooring factory can make. Does the factory meet your requirement? Like you are looking at SPC, but the factory only makes LVT, so really depends on your target product. You have to be sure that the factory has your target product. The second one is about delivery time, lead time. If you consider to place a order, you may need to plan your container shipping date and arrival date when you will have your cargo in your warehouse. So you have to keep this in mind when your cargo is fully ready. The third one is about certification. We have many test reports and certificates. So you need to have a full scan on your factory supplier. That their product or factory is qualified to your standard. What certificate do you need for your local? Third one is about quality control. We all pay much attention to flooring quality. The final one is about OEM service. It's about customization. For flooring industry, over hundreds of colors for your selection. But if you don't find your color or unique color, color certification service is to make your preferred color sample, identified maybe exclusive color for your own market. So you should keep this in mind. If you have a huge quantity and you want to design your unique color, this point you have to consider before you order your cargo. So this is today our sharing today. So thank you for your watching, and this is Paul. So see you next time. Bye.